Celebrate Christmas in Argentina with toasted pan dulce, topped with vanilla ice cream, berry orange sauce, and dulce de leche. Serve 6, and ready in 25 minutes. Let us make a festive dessert that is crisp, creamy, and bright. First, the ingredients: 6 slices of pan dulce, about ½ inch thick. 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. 6 scoops of vanilla ice cream, kept frozen until serving. 1 1/2 cups of mixed berries. 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. The zest of 1 orange and the juice of 1/2 orange. 1/4 cup of sliced almonds. 1/3 cup of dulce de leche. 6 small mint sprigs for garnish. That is our Argentine Christmas treat, toasted pan dulce with ice cream and berries. If you enjoyed this, tap like, subscribe for more festive recipes, and ring the bell so you never miss a video.